Hi, I'm Dorothy, and welcome back to Case Study Fridays on the Flower Budgets channel. Every Friday, we dive into real-life financial stories to learn valuable budgeting lessons. Today, we're discussing a common financial pitfall, the lack of emergency fund. We'll explore how this impacted Mark and Lisa and how they turned things around. Meet Mark and Lisa, a young couple who faced a financial wake-up call. It all began with an unexpected car repair bill. Like many, they were living paycheck to paycheck, and the $1,200 repair cost came as a shock. Without an emergency savings, they found themselves in a tight spot, scrambling to pay this unexpected expense. Mark and Lisa's situation is more common than you think. Many people underestimate the importance of an emergency fund, leaving them vulnerable to financial emergencies. But here's how they turn a challenging situation into a learning opportunity. Determined not to be caught off guard again, Mark and Lisa devised a plan. They decided to start small and set aside $50 from each paycheck. It wasn't easy at first, but they were committed to building a safety net. Over time, their efforts paid off. By consistently saving, they built up an emergency fund, covering 3 months' worth of expenses. This gave them peace of mind and financial stability for future unexpected events. So what was the solution? So what can we learn from Mark and Lisa's story? Here are a few takeaways. Number 1, start small. It's okay to begin with modest contributions. Consistency is key. Number 2, prioritize savings. Treat your emergency fund as a non-negotiable part of your budget. Number 3, stay committed. Building an emergency fund takes time, but it's worth the effort for the security it provides. Remember, financial challenges can happen to anyone, but being prepared can make all the difference. Thanks for joining me on this Case Study Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom every week. Share in the comments below if you have an emergency fund, tips, or stories. Until next time, stay financially savvy.